Hi, George here with another Minecraft Bedrock video, and today I'll be showing you how you can change the title up here. You can make it anything you want. I just changed the color on this, but you can use anything else that you want up here. You could do a whole different graphic if you wanted to. That's fine, you can do that. So to do this, let's go ahead. I'm first going to get rid of this one, put this back to the way it was to begin with, up to resources, and I'll just deactivate that title. There we go. And I'll come down to storage and resource packs. And let's delete that one from the game and delete. Okay, so that title is now gone. And be back to the default title. There we go. Okay, so now see how this is done. I'll switch over to the desktop. I'll close down Minecraft. And here we are on the desktop. I have my launcher open in the background there. And then I have a working folder here. All you need is just some place to build this. It doesn't matter where it is. I just made a folder on my C drive. I called it Bedrock Packs. And I also made my own pack icon right there. It's just a 128 by 128 PNG file. That's all it is, nothing special about that. And it's pack_icon, that's the name that you need. Has to be a PNG file. If you're not seeing that extension right there, this is important. We'll need this later on as well. I'm in Windows 11, so go up to View, come down to Show, and right here, check Find Them Extensions, and you'll see that. If you're in Windows 10, then go up to the top tabs, click on the View tab, and put a check next to Find Them Extensions. It's over here someplace. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to get the vanilla resource pack, and for that we bring up a website, and it's right here. I'll put this link in the description so you can just click on that and get right to this page. And in here, scroll down until you find the pack that says latest. That's the one you want. And on here you want to click on where it says sourcecode.zip. Click on that and download that file back into your working folder, which is right here, and then choose Save. It's a pretty good size pack. It may take you a couple of minutes or more to download depending upon your download speed. As soon as it's finished downloading, we'll go over to the working folder, and that's finished. Take a look at that. 89 megs, so it's a pretty good sized file. Let's now go over to that working folder, and there's the download. It comes down as a zip file, so you need to open this. Now, the easy way here is just to right click on this. You want to open this in a new window. That way we can just drag and drop from this window. Let's open this up and come down to where it says Resource Pack. Go inside of this and then come down here to Textures. Go inside of Textures and then come down here to UI. It's the bottom folder. Open this up and way down near the bottom, I'll scroll real fast. Way down here, I'll have to back up a little bit. We're going to find that title file. It's right here. Just drag that over. That copies it in. So there's our title file. Now, if you want to use the default pack icon, you can do that. Let me show you where that is. I'll just back up here to Resource Pack, and it's right there at the bottom of the list. That's the grass block one. You can use that if you want to. You don't have to have your own. Then we need one more file in here, and that's the manifest. Just drag that over as well. There we go. So a manifest in the title and your pack icon. Those are the three files that we need. We're now done with this. Close this down. Now, if you want to, you can hang on to this or delete it. I'll hang on to it in case I want to make other things in the future, so I'll just save that. We now need to have a new folder to work inside of it to build our pack inside us. Let's make a pack folder. Go up here to New, come down to Folder, and let's give this a name. I'll just call it Custom Title 120, like that. Then take these three files here and drag those into your new folder. Okay, this will be our pack. Let's go inside of here. Manifest and pack icons stay right here. The title is going to be going into two additional folders, same place we took it out of. So let's go ahead and make those. And the first one here was Textures, like that, all lowercase. Inside of this, and then one more folder inside of here, and this one is UI. Gives a new name. There we go. And that is where, right inside of here, this is where our new title is going to be going. We haven't made that yet, so let's go ahead. We'll do that now. Now you can edit this in any graphics program you want. They're all fine. I'll just be using Photoshop Elements because I happen to have it and I like it, but anything works out fine for this, no problem. I'll just right click, let's open this with, and I'll use Photoshop Elements right there. And here we go. All we're doing is just changing the color in this top of this. So for that, I'll use the magic wand. Again, these are techniques that almost all graphics programs can do. Let's just click into these areas here and I'll select all of this stuff and make sure you get all the different parts in here. There we go. Just grabbing all that stuff like that. And it's all coming in like this because I have this set as add. So I'm adding into the selection each time. Again, nothing special about that. Here we go. Now that that's selected, I can change this to anything else that I want. In this case, I'll be using the gradient tool, and I have the gradient set here at kind of a orange to yellow to orange gradient. Right there, you can see that. And then for this, I'll just drag it from over here, left-hand side, and I'll drag across here to the right-hand side someplace. And I'll just put in that gradient inside of that selection. and then I'll deselect, which is Control D here in this program. Most programs use the same keyboard shortcut to deselect. And here's our recolored image. Then to save that, file saved. Now we save it into our new folder. Here's our save dialog box. There we go, easy to see. There's the original. I want to put this inside of the textures, then inside of the UI folder right here. Choose save and OK. That's now done. OK, we have that saved. Get rid of this. Not going to bother saving that again. So here's the original. We'll go inside of here, and here's our new one. We now need a little update here on this Manifest.json file. Again, you should be seeing that .json. If you don't, that's back here to that view and show file name extensions. I have mine opening up inside of Notepad++. It's free. Just do a search for Notepad++. You'll find this online. It's a great editor for this kind of thing. Bring this up. Here we go. We need to edit just a couple of things in here. First off, we have the description right here. Let's just make this a better description. This is just the name of what you're doing. I'll do the same thing again here, custom title. I'm going to copy this. Just drag over that, right click and copy. Put it down here where it says name, right click and paste. And I'll put it down here as well. There we go. This will just make it easy to spot when it's inside of our list, inside of Minecraft. Then we have these two UUID codes. There's one up here and one down here. We need to change these, and they need to be different. These are kind of like license plates on a car. Every car has different license plates. Same thing in here. We just have two of these. And for this, you can get the code from the web. Let me bring up that website. And it's right here, the UUID generator. I'll put this link in the description as well, so you can just click on that and get right here. I'll do refresh the page. Gives you a new code. Copy. Let's go back over to the manifest file. Just right here, and I'll put that one on the top. Just select this over like that, right click and paste. Let's go back to that page, refresh, copy that, back to the manifest, and then select the bottom one, right click and paste. And that's all taken care of. That's done. Just choose save and we're okay, and close that down. So that's all taken care of. We can now zip this pack up, back here to our working folder. There's the pack, right click and choose compress to zip file. Again, I'm in Windows 11 and it copies that title over there. That's fine. If you're in Windows 10, go up to the top bar up there, click on the Share tab, and you'll find the zip button right there. Now click into the name once and then a second time. That lets you edit the name, backspace over zip, and change that to MC Pack. And click outside, choose yes, and you should see the icon change to the grass block icon. If you don't, just go inside of a folder like this, back outside again. That refreshes the page, and you should then see that. Okay, at this point, make sure that Minecraft is not running. So if it's open, just close it down, and then double click on this. This will launch Minecraft and import the pack into Minecraft. Let's go ahead, we'll do that. Double click, let Minecraft launch in, and then we should see in just a moment here, it'll say import started at the top, and we'll make sure the import is successful. We'll go ahead, we'll wait for that. There we go, import started. And successfully imported. Notice there's my icon, already used. Okay, that's good. There's the original title. Let's come down here to settings. We need to activate our new pack. So scroll down under global resources, and you'll find it where it says my packs. Here we go, custom title 120. Click on that, choose activate. Go up into active, make sure you see it. There it is, that's fine. It's back out of here. Minecraft now loads in that new pack, and there's our new title. So it's actually that easy. You can do it in just a few minutes. Again, you can put anything you want up here, any graphic you want. I just changed the color on Minecraft, but you can use a different thing to make it say something different. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to click on subscribe, and I'll see you next time.